midnight tonight. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Portage River at Woodville. When? From this morning to just after midnight tonight. Impacts. At 9.0 feet, the river inundates lower portions of Trail Marker Park and is out of banks in Pemberville. Additional details. At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 8.7 feet. Bankville stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 9.1 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.1 feet on April 24, 1977. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood